Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up my health planner for the next week in November. And I've got some brush pens and water here so I can do some brush lettering techniques, as well as some habit trackers and some stat stickers I'll be using, this roll of labels that we may use, and these sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay, you guys, this one's going to be kind of a throw it together and hope for the best spread. This spread is for all of the people who do not like my indecision. Today, I just did it. I just put pen to paper and I made things happen. It turned out how it turned out. I just kind of let it go, but I really wanted to get this video done and I had quite a busy week. So I decided to just not overthink it, just accept whatever happens and move on. So we will see how that goes. So to start off, I've laid in a sticker from the Wild Journey sticker book, which came out with the back to school line. I picked that book up, I want to say early September when it was on clearance from Michael's. I think it was still like $7, so the clearance isn't quite as clearance-y as it used to be, but I thought it was a really pretty book as far as the watercolor look and the colors used inside of it. So I have that quote up there at the top. I've added a habit tracker from just my personal stash that I created a while back, as well as some stat stickers that I made as well. In the color scheme, I think I'm going to be going towards here, which is just like some soft greens and blues, really to match up with the stickers that I'm going to be pulling from that Wild Journey. There's also a nice kind of black accent in that book, so I thought I'd bring in maybe these circle stickers. I was thinking that this is a new layout for my health, you know, the lined layout, and that maybe these circle stickers will work a little bit better here than they do on most of my other layouts. So I thought I'd try them, but they're just huge. I think they just feel too big and bold for the space. So, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna keep those. Let's go ahead and move away from the actual planning space and see if I can work something else out here. So instead of the circles, I decided that maybe these solid boxes will work a little bit better. And I'm just going to cut them up in half here. I really just need an area to write in my workouts. I want it to be a functional type situation where I'm adding some color and decor, but it's a functional item. When I'm working with these new layouts, it's just really hard to figure out where things are going to go. So I need to visualize it a bit on the spread, especially because I'm unfamiliar with the layout. And I was going to do the stat stickers down below into the lined area, but the spacing is just a little bit off. If I had put it down there, some of the alignment wouldn't look right, and so I figured I'd just put it in the empty box at the top and use boxes for the workout. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick with the blues and greens here, so I'm just cutting up some of those extra large boxes, and I'm actually using them a little bit on the side because this is a big sticker book, so it's made for letter size planners, not Happy Planner Classic. And those stickers would have been just a little bit too wide to fit in the boxes in a horizontal fashion, so we're going to use them vertically, and that gives me a little bit of breathing room around each of them, which I like actually. Now my goal is to work out at least 6 days a week. Usually Saturday is my rest day, although you guys, I don't even want to talk about it. Like, I've just not been motivated at all. It's gotten cold, the darkness is just making me not want to go out for my walks, and I mean, I don't know what's happening, but I really need to get it together. So anyway, I always pre-plan for workouts on every day but Saturday, and that's what I'm doing here with the boxes. Hopefully I have something to put in each of those boxes every day, but I don't know. It's really, I need some motivation. I'm even thinking about going back to the gym, but then all this new Omicron, variations, and it's just, I don't know what to do, you guys. So anyway, we're going to put in a quote there on Saturday just for a little bit of inspiration, and then I had already cut up a long box sticker just for that take a break blue header to put there on the rest day. I don't know if that's going to stay. I'm not really liking the proportions of it at this moment, so maybe we'll just stick with the black quote and save this for another time. I'm into the Color Story sticker book now. This one is a big sticker book as well, and it came out fairly recently from the Happy Planner. I saw that they have a wellness little section in here with some pastel colors that I thought I might be able to pull in to match up, so that's what I had pulled that circle sticker from. And I just put it below the quote because I think I'm going to layer the quote on top of it. I'm just not sure if I'm ready to commit to that yet. I'm going to go through and kind of get the rest of the layout designed, and then I will see if that's really where I want to go with that. Just looking through the sticker book again, looking for items that I can use. Really like these brushy headers, but they're on paper, which I like, but when you have like soft edges like that, there's always going to be a bit of a white border around them, and I don't know if I like that layered as much as I like more of like a clear sticker layering look, or one that has a full color bleed on all sides. So we'll save that for another spread. Hopefully I can find some use for those. And this is a very color-centric spread, so I felt like I needed a little bit more decor, just something fun and cute to look at. So I'm just going to bring in these black hearts that are on this clear quote page there, just to bring in, again, just some visual interest. It's really minimally decorated, just more about the color. So that's what we're going to focus on, and hopefully I'll bring in even a little bit more of that color with the pens. Just scanning that sticker book a little bit more before I put it away in case there was something I missed, but I think we're going to call it, and we're going to move forward with what we have here on the wax paper. Okay, I guess we got to figure out how we're going to do these pens first, because we're going to be laying the stickers over them to an extent. So my idea was to mimic kind of that soft pastel water brush look with the brush pens I have here from Tombow. I have one color that's a pretty spot-on match for the softer green, but the blue, I really didn't have a color that was a good match, so I'm blending two colors together. Mainly more of the gray blue tone, and then with a little bit more of the brighter blue to better match the colors that are on the stickers. And like I said, I'm just going for it. I'm just putting the color wherever I think that it can go. And, I mean, I could have done this definitely a little bit more strategically, but I really didn't want to overthink it. So there you go. Now I am dropping in those little flags, which I'll use to track my total calories for the week. I usually do a food log in this planner as well, so I'll be tracking my food daily, and then at the bottom I'll just add up the calories and put that down below. I'm going to go ahead and get my sidebar ready. Got my habit tracker in there, and then I have this little header here for basically weekly goals. I forgot to find a hydration tracker. I do like to track my water, so I will probably do that sometime before the week starts. So I didn't do it on camera. I'll have to go find something that matches up with the spread, but yeah, I'll probably add that in as well in the sidebar. And just moving over those boxes and the stat stickers with the decor. Again, this is a brand new layout for me to use with my wellness and health tracking, so I'm hoping that this week goes okay. It's been a little bit of a struggle. I challenged myself this month to try a bunch of different layouts to see if I wanted to change things up for 2023. It's because I'm getting kind of bored with my layout, so we'll see. But it really, it hurts your brain a little bit trying to figure out what to do with different layouts and, where to place things. But I'm excited to try new things. So that's going to be it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye!